and welcome to this video where I show off my gaming project for processing for OOP. For this project I decided to make a game kind of reminiscent of old Japanese style shooters like Gradius or something like that. In fact, I've actually called the game kind of like Gradius, as you can see here. So this is the title screen. Press any button to start. That'll take you to the main menu. Usually there should be music playing here, but I've disabled it for the purposes of this demonstration, as the music can be quite loud. Up and down to start or exit. And there's a display of the high score as well. So press the button to start. The player appears on the left. The enemies appear on the right and move towards the player. If any of the enemies get to the left hand side of the screen, the game is ended. These colored polygons that are appearing on the screen, the purple and the light blue, are power-ups so the player can pick up. The purple ones shoot a single instance of a spread shot. Apologies, that was the game over sound. You can see that if the player's score at the end of their run is higher than the previous high score, a little sign will come up at the bottom saying the new high score has been achieved. If you come back to the main menu, you can see the high score has been recorded and is on display. I'll just start this back up again just to excuse me. There can be some quite bad spawn times, as the spawning of enemies is based on frame rate, the frame count of the game, but also on how long the run has been going on. So as the run goes longer, more and more enemies spawn. Alright, I'm going to start this up again because I wanted to talk some more about power-ups. This light blue one here will change the player's fire speed to be very fast for 3 seconds. And I've talked to you before about the purple shot being just a spread shot like that. Another thing about the enemy spawning, the enemies will spawn every... Sorry, I've changed the rate a few times, but I believe the enemies will spawn every 5 seconds. Is it 5 seconds? It's either 3 or 5 seconds, depending on the build. The build version of the game. And the enemies will spawn more and more frequently as the game goes on. Also, to mix things up, every 10 seconds to 15 seconds, a big wave of enemies will spawn. This has made it quite hard for the player, but it was interesting just to kind of practice, different spawn rates and different spawn times for the enemies. That's it for my demonstration of my game, kind of like Gradius. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.